Welcome to Mastering Value Stream Mapping, a step-by-step guide for process optimization. In this video, we will show you how to effectively conduct value stream mapping to improve your processes and achieve better results. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the scope. Before diving into value stream mapping, it's crucial to clearly define the scope of the process you want to optimize. Identify the starting and ending points of the value stream, and determine what steps are included in the process. Step 2. Gather information. Next, collect relevant data about your process. This includes cycle time, lead time, and any other critical measurements. Interview team members involved in the process to understand their perspective and capture key insights. Step 3. Map the current state. Now, it's time to create a visual representation of your current process. Use a whiteboard or software to draw a flowchart, marking each step and workflow. Include information on the time it takes to complete each step, the resources involved, and any constraints or bottlenecks. Step 4. Analyze and identify waste. Once the current state is mapped, carefully analyze the flowchart. Look for areas of waste, such as excess inventory, overproduction, unnecessary movement, or waiting time. These are opportunities for improvement. Step 5. Design the future state. With waste identified, brainstorm ways to eliminate or reduce it. Visualize an optimized future state for your process. Consider how to streamline workflow, improve efficiency, and enhance overall performance. Take into account the perspectives of all stakeholders. Step 6. Implement and measure. Take action on your future state design. Implement necessary changes, whether they involve reorganizing workstations, introducing new tools, or optimizing communication channels. Measure the impact of these improvements to determine their effectiveness. Step 7. Continuously improve. Value stream mapping is an ongoing process. Regularly evaluate and reassess your process to identify new opportunities for improvement. Engage your team, seek feedback, and maintain a culture of continuous improvement. Congratulations! You have now mastered value stream mapping for process optimization. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.